Kyle, what'd you find?
Dinosaur head. He found it though.
I think I found an alligator skin.
Kyle, let's keep the sand in the pit. Thank you. What a good helper.
And don't hit me with the sand either. Going a little crazy. Crazy. Crazy.
Man, this is young. This is going to take a young time.
I found a gem.
Papa, what's this?
You're digging out a fossil. See if there's a fossil in there. You're looking for one of those over there. Look on the sign. That's what you're looking for.
You mean these and these and these and these?
They're the ones that are in this rock.
Then I'll do them without.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I want to do that. I like doing this. What the heck?
They've gotten half of it away already.
That's not fair. Oh, I found one. Why but it hurts my hands sometimes.
How do I keep them out?
You have to hit the rock out around it. It takes a long time. Remember the last time we took out a long time to do it?
Ah!
Not that long.
I've been here for 20 years. Waiting until this thing's gonna come out.
Oh, I found it!
We're just trying. Let's try this one.
Try and get that one out.
Please.
You're supposed to be hitting it more gently, I think, so that you don't crack the fossil. Are you going to sign in there, Kyle?
I think you can. I think there's still some space. Somebody's very